In this video, I'll show you how to add your Gmail calendar to your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Apps, then scroll down again and select Mail. Next, tap on Mail Accounts, then choose Add Account. Select Choose from a list, and then tap on Google. Now tap Open Browser and sign in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, make sure the calendar's toggle is turned on. Then save your changes. Now go back to your iPhone home screen and open the Calendar app. Tap on the Calendar's icon in the bottom right corner. At the top of the page, you'll see your Gmail account, and below it, all of your shared calendars. Just make sure the checkmark is enabled next to any calendars you want to display. And that's how you add a Gmail calendar to your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.